Welcome back. So within my previous video, I've discussed profile within CATIA 3D Experience, and I want to showcase the difference between CATIA 3D Experience and SolidWorks regarding profile sketching. So over here within the sketch workbench, we're going to have the line, and the line will actually work as a profile as well. So if I'm going to start tracing, just like within CATIA, I can draw those lines. If I want to draw arcs, I just need to move the mouse from that point, go back, and afterwards I will obtain that. So keep in mind that in some cases, maybe you need to go twice in order to have that defined. Depends on how you're going to move that mouse back to the same point. But as you can see, this will have the same functionality as the profile within CATIA. In this case, you're going to see that arc will go like this. So again, if I'm going to go back again and again once, I can define that profile. So overall within SolidWorks, they managed to integrate that profile, let's say, feature within the line tool. In my opinion, this is a much better implementation than the one from CATIA 3D Experience. Let me know in the comment section what is your opinion regarding this. Do you prefer the implementation from SolidWorks or from CATIA, since they are both defined by the same developer? We see over here that we also have the following tooltip, so it's not stating anything regarding this, the fact that we can also draw those tangent arcs, but keep in mind that with this simple trick you can do that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I'm gonna position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. That's it. Thanks for watching.